Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I want to share a little hack with you. If you're an Amazon influencer and you love Google Chrome extensions, I'm going to share with you how you can actually access this from your phone. Now this is only for Android, so iPhone user, sorry, I hate iPhone anyway, but don't hate me. I'm an Android girl and I'm going to share with you some Android hacks to be able to use these extensions on the go. So today we're looking at the Oink extension. This is how you access it on your phone or tablet.
Okay, you're going to go to your Google Play Store and search for Lemur browser. And it's going to look like this. And you're going to click install. I already have mine installed, so we're going to open it. Then you're going to go and just search for Google Chrome extensions store. And you're going to click on that. Here we are. So we want to go to browse. And then this is where you can search for your extension. So let's search for the Oink extension. And this is super little, so my old eyes need to zoom in. So we're going to search for Oink. And here it is. So you can click on that, and then it would say install on Chrome, and instead of remove from Chrome. But this button will say add to Chrome. So there we go. Now what we can do is we can we're going to open a new tab, and we're going to go to my storefront.
So you will need to sign into Oink for the first time. So you'll enter your credentials and get signed in.
So it takes a second to log in. So it'll give you these prompts. Just click on them if you've already done it and go back. We are going to see if we can do this in desktop view. Desktop view. There we go. There we go. Desktop view is what you want to do. Okay, so you can see at the top here, when you're on your back office, you can do your fetch today's sales. So we're going to do that. Okay. Then we're going to head over to Creator Connections. Actually, we've got to switch back to Offsite ID. And then you're going to go to Promotions, Creator Connections, and you can have this opened in a separate tab as well. Okay, now you can see here at the top, Creator Connections check, automatically accept, check today's orders, and it's going to run your check. So when you're traveling, you can have your scans, you can take care of your scans without having to pack your laptop. As far as I'm aware, this is a Android only feature. I don't think that this works. I don't believe that this works on iPhone, but if you know something different, let me know. Okay, there we go. So you could, check the ASINs if they come up. Let's go back to my storefront and see if the Oink buttons are popping up there. Here we go. So now you can see it just takes a while for them to load, but now we've got my storefront fetch. Now this is a new device, so if I was going to do a full storefront fetch and then go check my Creator Connections, I would need to do that on my phone. I haven't done it. And so I haven't done it on my phone before, but that way you can have those features. Definitely you want to do it in desktop mode down here at the bottom. And just give it a little time. It did take a while for the extension to populate here, but you can see it works and is awesome for taking care of that on your Android mobile device.
I hope this was helpful. Enjoy taking your Oink extension on the go and have a great one. We'll see you on the next video.